right, so this was just another easy way for a beginner to play this tune. I just kind of found the chords. I'll put a link to the chords on Ultimate Guitar, and I'll put a link to that maybe in the top comment or something. And you can just go check out the chord chart I'm using. I just made a few like slight little modifications to it. But it's easy to just like, this is a great song if you want to sing and just strum along. So we're just doing all down strums. And I don't think there's too much deviation from what you just heard, the verse, pre-chorus, and the chorus. Looking at this verse, so what you want to do is start out with a C chord. So you're just going to set your index finger first fret of B, middle finger second fret of D, ring finger third fret of A. And you're just doing all down strums. So just try that. Just all down strums. All right. So now the count it's not hard, but it's just, you kind of have to just count for a while. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you'll count 8 strums on the C. And we're going to go to our next chord, which is A minor. So you just bring your ring finger right underneath your middle finger. So ring finger will set down second fret of G. Again, 8 strums. Now we're going to go to an F chord. And the way that I was doing this, just to keep it simple for the beginners, leave your index finger down on that first fret of B, middle finger second fret of G, ring finger third fret of A, pinky third fret of D. And this one, again, 8 strums. Then we're going to go to a G sus. So you leave your index finger there, again, first fret of B, bring your ring finger up to the third fret of low E and pinky to third fret of high E. And what you're going to do is strum, and you kind of mute out the A with the bottom of your ring finger if you can. So you're going to strum 4 times. Then you let off your index finger, and then you just have a straight up G. All right. So that's the whole verse. Let's try it. That's the whole first verse. And then you're going to go into the pre-chorus, which is all right. So what I'm doing there is going to the A minor. We already covered that one. All right. You're going to strum twice. Then you go to F for 2 strums, then you go to C for 2 strums, and now you can go to G sus and then G, 1 strum each, or you could just strum G twice. Okay, so you'd be like, or then the second line of the pre-chorus. So it's pretty much the same. 2 strums on A minor, 2 strums on F, except now we jump to G, just 1 strum, and you let it ring out, and that'll bring you into the chorus. So the chorus, again, pretty much same chords. We got C, so we're going C for 8 strums, A minor for 4 strums, F for 4 strums, and we go to C again, 8 strums, A minor for 4 strums, then whole note strum on F. And then that'll bring us into verse 2 and so on throughout the song. All right, and so just to cover the bridge chords real quick, we've got, this is just a simple way you could do it. You could strum C 8 times, A minor 8 times, then F 8 times, A minor 4 times, G 4 times. Alright, or maybe just 1 strum on the G and then pause. I can't remember. You'll hear a pause in there on the G, so it might be like, then back into a verse, I believe. But anyway, I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.